Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to solve an equation with an exponent a. So the equation is 256 to the a plus 256 to the a divided by 2 equals 1. So what we are going to do here is that we are going to use a property of powers. Okay, so we know that a, b to the c equals a multiplied by b, a to the b multiplied by c. Okay. So here we can rewrite 256 to the a plus 256 to the a to the 1/2, and we are going to bring the 1 to the left side of the equation. So minus 1 equals 0. Okay. So now we are going to substitute. So let's say that this quantity here is u. Okay, so we have u plus u to the exponent 1/2 minus 1 equals 0. Okay, so now we can do another substitution here and say that p equals u to the 1/2. Okay. So here we have p squared plus p minus 1 equals 0. So here we have a second degree equation, and if you remember my other video that you can see, there is a card that is displaying to the top of the screen. You can see that we have already solved this second degree equation. Okay. So the solution here is p equals minus 1 plus or minus root square of 5 divided by 2. Okay. But remember, we want p, we want u instead. Okay. Okay, so we remember that p equals square root of u. Okay, or it's the same, u to the 1/2. Okay, but the square root is always positive. Okay, it's always positive. So here the only solution that's working is minus 1 plus square root of 5 divided by 2. Okay, so we have So that's the only solution that's working. Okay, so P equals U to the 1/2 equals, okay, so let's call it P1, okay, instead of P, okay. So let's replace U by 256 power to the A divided by 2 equals P1. So by using the property of log, we have A divided by 2 log of 256 equals log of P1. Therefore, and we can rewrite here 256 equals 16 square. Okay, so we can say this is 16 square, but we can say that log of 16 square equals 2 log 16. Okay, so we can rewrite again 2 here, multiplied by A divided by 2 multiplied by log 16. And we can simplify by 2. Okay, so we have A multiplied by log 16 equals log P1. Therefore, A equals log P1 divided by log 16. Zero point 173. Okay. So that's our answer. And if you replace A in the equation above here, you will find that it's almost equal to 1. Okay. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching and see you very, very soon. Goodbye.